How to fix Discord stuck on loading. To fix Discord stuck on loading, try 1. Restart your computer. 2. Check and increase your internet connection speed, if needed. 3. Run Discord as administrator. Turn off hardware acceleration. 5. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Clear Discord cache at % of data %/discord/cache. 7. Switch to windowed mode by pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus F keys. 8. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 9. Try desktop app / another browser. 10. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Discord.